Hello children, how are you all? Hope everyone is safe. Welcome back to Maths class. Today we are going to see the revision of multiplication. Okay, the next Monday you will be having class test on multiplication till single digit multiplication. Okay, from the introduction to the single digit multiplication, what all the mains I have completed, only on those mains you will be having the class test. That is from second main to seventh main. Okay, from second main to seventh main you will be having class test. Okay, today we will revise. Okay children, so first is, the test will be conducted in Google form. Okay, so the questions will be in the fill up type only. Okay children, so first fill in the blanks. Multiplication means dash. Multiplication means what children? Multiplication means repeated addition. Multiplication means repeated addition. Spelling for repeated, R-E-P-E-A-T-E-D, repeated, A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N, repeated addition. Multiplication means repeated addition. Sign of multiplication is dash. What is the sign of multiplication children? Into. The sign of multiplication is into. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number to be multiplied is called what children? Multiplicand. Spelling for multiplicand, M-U-L-T-I-P-L-I-C-A-N-D, multiplicand. Okay, multiplicand. Okay, the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. So the fourth one, the number by which we multiply is called multiplier. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. Okay, the spelling for multiplier, M-U-L-T-I-P-L-I-E-R, multiplier. Okay, once again I repeat children, M-U-L-T-I-P-L-I-E-R, multiplier. The answer of multiplication is called dash. Okay, the answer of multiplication is called dash. What is the answer of multiplication? Product. Product spelling P-R-O-D-U-C-T, product. Okay, once again we will repeat children. Multiplication means repeated addition. The sign of multiplication is into. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. The answer of multiplication is called product. These fill-ups are based on the properties children. Learn the properties also. I will give either in the numbers or in the words which I have given in your CW. Okay. So the sixth one, 7 into 0 equals what children? 7 into 0. When we multiply any number with 0, what is the answer? So you will get the 0 as the answer. Okay. The next one, 8 into dash equals 8. When you will get the same number as the answer, when you multiply something, you will get the number as the answer. It's the same number as the answer. What is that? What we should multiply? 1. When you multiply any number with 1, you will get the number as the answer. Same number as the answer. So 8 into 1 equals 8 ones are 8. Okay. So ninth one, 2 into 10. Okay. 2 tens are 20. What I have told you, how I taught you? Children, just write this number 2 and in one's place you have to write 0. Okay. In one's place you have to write 0. 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. Next is 2 into 3 equals dash into 2. Okay, even if the order of multiplication is changed, what the answer does not change. Okay. So 2 into 3 equals 3 into 2. Okay children, understood? So 7 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8, 2 tens are 20, 2 into 3 equals 3 into 2. Next is fill in the boxes. Children, you have to count and write the numbers, and next you have to write it in the multiplication statement. Okay, you have to count the objects and you have to write it in the repeated addition and you have to write it in the multiplication statement. Okay, so now we'll count and write the number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in first box, what you should write? 4. Okay, plus in next box, 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. In next box, 1, 2, 3, 4 equals, what is the answer? 4 plus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, once again 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals how much children? 12. Okay. So how we will write this in the repeated addition, in multiplication statement children? How you will write it in the multiplication statement? First write number of things. 4 into number of groups. How many groups are there? Count 1, 2, 3. So into 3. So 4 3s are 12. Okay. Understood children? Now we'll count the second one and we will write. Okay. Now next one. 1, 2, 3. In first box, what I should write children? 3. Plus. In second box, how many things are there? 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. In third box, how many things are there to count children? 1, 2, 3. Plus 3. Plus 3. Plus, how many things are there? 1, 2, 3. Equals 3 plus 3. 3. Another 3, show it in a finger. 4, 5, 6. Now, next 3. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, totally there are 15 things. Okay. Or, how we will write this in the multiplication statement children? 3 into how many things, how many groups are there? First number of things, second number of groups. 3 into how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 5s are. So 3 5s are 15. Okay. Understood children? Next is write the multiplication statement and the product. So you have to see the picture and you have to write the multiplication statement according to this. Okay, how to write the multiplication statement children? So first count number of things in a group. So 1, 2. So in all the groups you will be having the same thing. So no need to count in all the groups. So write here 2. 2 into how many groups are there? How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. So write here 2 into 3. 2 3s are 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So write here 6. Oh, next one. How many things are there in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5 into how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4 equals 5 4s are. Okay, 5 4s are. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Okay, 5 4s are 20. So now we saw with the objects, with the help of the objects. Now we are going to see with the numbers. Okay, numbers. What is the number? 6. First write 6 into. Okay, how many 6s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5. Understood children? First write what is the number. First number you write it that and count and write next number. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have written here 5. So 6 5s are. Okay children? 6 5s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So write here 30. Okay. So fourth one, first 3 into how many 3s are there? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So 3 4s are. Write here 4. Now tell the 3 table children. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are. The previous main which we saw was write the multiplication statement. So they will give you the object. You have to write the multiplication statement for that. That in previous main we saw. Now they are asking you the repeated addition. Okay, the same thing. They are asking you to write the repeated addition. So repeated addition, how you will write? You will write the number 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, this is the in numbers you are going to write it. For the objects you are going to write the numbers. That's all. Okay, okay children. See 2 1 2 2 I have written here plus another 2 1 2 and just you have to add all the things and write the answer. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals how much children? 6. Okay. The same way next one, first count and write all the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 2 3 4 5 equals 5 6 5. Next 5. 5 show it in the finger. 6 7 8 9 10 10 11 12 13 14 15. Next 5 16 17 18 19 20. So write here 20. Okay. Okay children. So read the heading and write the answer. Tick the answer according to that. Okay. Tick the answer according to that. So if it is asked for the repeated addition, you have to write this. If they ask for the multiplication statement, you have to write the previous main how I taught you. Okay. Understood children? Next main, write each of the following in repeated addition. See here children, the before main, they had given the object. Seeing that object, you wrote the repeated addition. Okay. Now they have given the multiplication statement. For that, you should write the repeated addition. So here, first number of things, second number of groups. So what you should do, you should write 7 3 times. See here how I am writing. 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 21. Okay. 7, how many times you should write? 3 times you should write. Okay. The next one, 4 number of things. 4 you should write how many times? 6 times. See here, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 plus equals 24. Okay, 4 you should write 6 times. Okay children. So the next one is 8 5s are. So what you should write? 8 you should write 5 times. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 1 2 3 4 5 equals 40. Okay. So the next is single digit multiplication. The heading is find the product. We will do the first one children. Write the place value first because here you have only one number. Should write what is the place value? O. Okay. It is in the ones place. So tell the 2 table children. 2 table till 4 or write the table here. Table 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. So 2 fours are 8. Write the answer here. 2 fours are 8. Straight to ones place you should write. So here which table you will write children? Write the place value. Once which table you will write? You will write the 1 table. Table of 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 5s are 5. 1 6s are 6. So 1 6s are 6. 1 6s are 6. Right. We'll do third one, children. So 0 into 5. So you have to write 0 table. Table of 0. 0 1s are 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 3s are 0. 0 4s are 0. 0 5s are 0. So the answer is 0. Okay. The next one, 3 into 3. First write the place value once. Okay. 3 into 3. Write the table of 3. Okay. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So now multiply, children. 3 3s are, what is the answer? 9. Children, prepare well for your class test and do well. Take care. Bye.